or a barrel roll plane? I'll show you. You start with paper, preferably printer paper, for the best flying result. This is because other paper, like colorful construction paper, is too heavy. Also, notebook paper doesn't hold together as well as printer paper. You start by folding the paper in half, not long ways, but like this. Now, you open up the paper again, take each corner of the paper and fold them to the halfway point where you folded it at the beginning. With the paper folded inward, you will need to take the sides and fold them to the halfway point again. What you do now is take each side and fold them halfway down. Now you have created your paper airplane. You can also make this into a barrel roll plane by taking the front tip and bending it inward like this.
Well, Mama told me